This tutorial in particular is a snippet from a larger catalogue of videos that I've already posted to my Patreon page. I highly recommend it. I think it's really good. I'm super proud of it. If you would like to learn a little bit faster and have a little bit more access to more information, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or in the white card somewhere above here. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. AJ47. Get ready to work. This one's a little bit more challenging, a little bit more difficult, and it's musical as well. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let's get into it. First of all, there's a few steps that you're going to need.
The basic 7-step, both ways, Storm's hook and sling, maintaining the rhythm of the music, the sling spin pivot, not losing balance and returning to hook, and the upper hook swivel on both sides. If you have all of these component parts, jump to the time code on screen now to start this combination. If not, jump to the relevant time code for the component part you might not be clear on.
Your first basic one will be a 7-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's important to make sure that your 7-step is on the snare when you do the flower, what we call the flower position in Mavericks, because it opens you up to many other opportunities. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bit has to be on the snare, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, you're going to need a hook and sling, a classic hook, kick, kick, sling, and return. Change sides, kick, kick, sling, and return. As once you get to the sling, you have to turn and almost kick your butt with this heel. So turn, kick your butt, and pivot out, hook. You have to practice this quite a bit because many of the times you're going to end up flat-footed when you do it too fast or you do it wrong. Practice that, try and keep your weight centered. And remember, turn the whole time with your shoulders without a break, because if you have a break, then the step locks and then you have to generate the momentum again and it's really awkward. And the last component part, start in a hook on your opposite side, open and go up to the top, pivot to the back once more, and then to the back position before returning around. Up, pivot, back. Okay? Up, pivot, back.
Start with the upper hook swivel to take you to the back. Enter a 7-step or flower position, and then we're going to kick straight to the sling from this position with the swivel afterwards. Now with the counts of the music. Hook on the 8, open for the 1, the upper hook swivel touches the floor on the 2. Now speed up to hit the flower position on the 4, kick 5 and 6 to the sling before swiveling all the way around to the hook position again. Repeat the same techniques when learning it clockwise. Once you've learned it clockwise, I'm going to teach you how to alternate. To alternate, simply jump from the hook on 8 to an upper hook on the same side for 1, bringing the foot down on 2, and then continuing as you would normally, completing the remainder of the pattern exactly the same to the same counts. But when you get to 8 on the hook, jump up again for 1 on the same side before swiveling, changing directions.
The expanded version of this tutorial will be linked in the description below. It's on my Patreon page under the footwork and legwork tier. Thanks again for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, share it with a friend who you think it might benefit. Nice one, guys. Peace.